Hello children, this is St. Florence YouTube channel. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher. I am teaching math since last 30 years. Today I am going to explain inequalities in a triangle. In the previous video you have learned that if the two angles are equal, opposite side of equal angles are equal, or if two sides are equal, opposite angle of equal sides are equal. This I have explained in previous two videos. Now today I am going to explain if the two angles are not equal, then what happens? Or two sides are not equal, then what happens? That I want to explain you today. Only concept I am going to give you, concept of all these. These try to understand. Problems I will do later on. First, try to understand what is the thing. If two sides are not equal, here actually all sides are not equal to each other. This is not equal to this and not equal to this. Three sides are given, all three are unequal. In this way I can say that it is a 2 centimeter, it is 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. All are unequal, easily you can understand. Now if these three sides are unequal, then what is the value of these angles? Remember that if the sides are not equal, angles also not equal. Because whatever value of this angle, that should not be equal to this. As because sides are not equal. But remember, sum of these three angles should be 180. Just example I am saying, this is taking, I am taking here 70 degree. Okay. This I am taking here 60 degree. 70, 60 what is? 130 and this I am taking 50 degree. Total is 180 degree. Here smallest angle. This only I am going to explain well. This is smallest angle. Smallest angle, opposite side is smallest. Smallest angle, opposite side what is children? Smallest. And the greatest angle is 70 degree. Its opposite side is greatest. Previously we have learned when the two angles are equal to each other, its opposite side is equal. Its opposite side is equal. Here angles are not equal, the sides also not equal. Clear? So there are two theorems in this. What is the first theorem? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the longer side has a greater angle opposite to it. Longer side, but this is the longer side, its opposite angle should be greater. Okay? And another one is that if two angles of a triangle are unequal, the greater angle has the longer side opposite to it. Just reverse to each other. If side is longer, remember, its opposite angle is longer. Another way we can say, if angle is the bigger angle, the greatest angle, its opposite side is greatest. So these two you have understood. Now one by one I have to explain both the theorems. Hello children. Now I am going to explain first theorem number 1 to understand. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, so given, what is given children? Here given, let AC is greater than AB. Unequal means AC should be AC, sorry, AB not AC. Greater than AB. Angle AC, sorry, side AC is greater than AB. Two sides of a triangle are unequal. Then longer side means AC side, has greater angle opposite to it. So greater angle is angle B, as because angle sides AC is greater. So angle B should be greater. Clear? So required to prove what is children? Required to prove angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. ABC is greater than ACB. This is required to prove. This you have to prove here. Okay children? Now some construction I will do. What is that construction? I will take a point over here. One point. How to take that point? This point take as D. How much I have taken? I have taken D in such a way so that AB should be AD. You have to understand very well, children. I have taken a point on AC such that AB equal to AD. So AB equal to AD and I will join this. So what to write? Take a point D on AC such that AB equal to AD. Join BD. Join BD. Okay? I think you understand this much. Required to prove what is angle this one ABC should be greater than ACB. ABC greater than ACB. Now how to prove this? So here I am going to do proof. You understand? I am not getting into details. I want that you should understand me. That is important for you. First, I have taken a point that this part and this part should be equal. So I can say ABD, okay children, equal to A or BDA. I can say BDA. Reason what I give? AB equal to AD. This angle and this angle should be equal. Clear? Why it is equal? Because I have done construction like that. What is the construction? Construction is that this D I have taken here so that AB equal to AD. Already previously I have learned opposite sides have equal angles opposite to it. Okay, so these two angles are equal. This was clear? This is the difficult ones. So try to understand slowly. I will explain you. Slowly will understand. 2-3 times you see the videos, then you can understand this one. Okay children? So this angle is equal. Reason I have given AB equal to AD. Now see, one thing more I have to explain before going ahead of this chapter. What is that? That we have learned, after rub this we have learned what is that if one triangle is there, this is the exterior angle. This is exterior angle. This exterior angle is the sum of two interior angles, opposite interior angle. That means sum of these two should be here. If it is 30 degree, it is 50 degree. This interior angle must be 80 degree. This you have learned previously. If I need, I will explain later on this particular theorem. Okay. So what you have learned? The exterior angle should be equal to opposite sum of two interior angles. Not this and this. These two. This you know. This one I have to use over here. Now see children. If BDC take a triangle. BDC is a triangle. BDC is a triangle. So which is the exterior angle of BDC? BDC exterior angle is angle ADB. You have to understand, very important point. If I will take triangle BDC, this is the triangle, this is the exterior angle. What is the interior children? This and this. Given two dots to explain the angle. Not the full one. This plus this equal to this. This is a very important point to understand that. Okay? In this triangle BDC, this angle plus this angle is equal to this angle. Let it is 30, it is 40. So this should be what is 70. If I take alone, so this one and this one, which is greater children? This is greater. This one and this one, which is greater? This one. If I take one angle, then this should be greater. I will take both the angles, this and this, then it should be equal. So I am taking one. What I am taking? Only BCD I am taking. BCD and ADB or BDA, which is greater. You have to understand, this is very important point. On this only the whole part is completed. BDA and BCD, which is greater? Think. BDA and BCD. BDA is greater because this means, again I am explaining you, this means this plus this, but both I am not taking, I am taking only one. So that means BDA and BDA should be greater than BCD. What is the rule? Exterior angle equal to, just on hints I am writing, sum of opposite to interior angle. Opposite to interior angles. This are just written here. Sum of opposite to interior angles. So as because one I have taken, so that is why this is greater. So BCD and BDA, this is greater. This one understood very nicely. Once more see, BDA is greater than this. Now sir, why it is greater? Question arise. Immediately you confused. Once more I say in numbers step. Let here this 4, it is given 2, it is given 1. So 2 plus 1 is 4. Sorry, 2 plus 1. Sorry, it is given 2, it is given 3. It is given 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. If I say 3 and 5 we compare, then you say 5 is greater. I say compare with this, then 5 is greater. But when I take sum, then it is equal. So as because 1 I have taken, so this is the greater one. That I have written here. BDA greater than BCD. Now, BDA means to ABD. BDA means ABD. So in place of BDA, I can write ABD also. Greater than BCD. BCD, I can say. You have to understand why written here. That is coming. This ABD, if I take 1, so I can say from 1. From 1. Because in this place, in place of BDA, ABD I replaced. Why I replaced? Because both are equal. Okay, understood? Both are equal. That is why it is replaced. If both are not equal, I cannot replace it. Okay, children, understood? Now ABD is there, ABCD is there. Slowly, I have come to this point. Slowly, I will come. Now see, this is greater than this. One more thing I will explain you. Let I will say is 5 greater than 3. Correct? In greater, I will add something one more. Let 6 I put. That is also greater than 3. In greater value, something more I can be added, no problem. If 2 is greater than 1, 7 also greater than 1. So as because it is greater, here I can add something more. Here I cannot add. As because it is not a value, so that you have to understand logically everything. Now ABD is greater than this. In ABD, some more angle is added. Okay, in greater one more you add, no problem is there. So in place of ABD I can add ABC also. ABC is greater than BCD. Here each point should be noted down very well. Here is ABD. Now I am saying ABC. Little more I increased. ABC is this full one greater than what is student? ABC is greater than BCD. Okay. Now BCD means this one. BCD I will say or BCA I will say. Any problem? No problem. BCD means this angle. BCA means this angle. Both will come same angle. Okay. Then I can say here ABC greater than BCA also can say or ACB, same thing, ACB or BCA, same meaning. So I can add ACB. Now see children, I got ABC greater than ACB or BCA, same thing. So this one I got greater than this. This one I got greater than this. This is required to prove children. Okay, as I got this, so my answer is proved. Because as I said this angle is greater. This angle is greater. It means its opposite side is greater. So therefore one more line I can say, therefore I can say AC is greater than AB proved. Okay? This is greater than less than some little difficult to understand. Okay? So slowly you will understand this. If you not understood, once more, twice, thrice see the videos, then it is clear. This theorem should be clear. One more theorem is there. opposite to it, that I will explain you. Introduction should be same. What I explained in introduction, that also there also, and the theory of this I will explain in the next video. Okay, goodbye children.